Today also, the church celebrates the feast day of Saint Eugene de Mazenod. And if we reflect about the life of Saint Eugene, Eugene fell in love many times, but may nangingibabaw na 4 na beses where Eugene fell in love. The first one is Eugene fell in love with Jesus on the cross. On that Good Friday experience, Eugene fell in love with Jesus on the cross, na sa kabila pala ng kanyang mga pagpupulang, sa kabila ng kanyang pagiging makasalanan, there is always somebody who would stay to understand and to accept him. It was Jesus. Second, Eugene fell in love with Mary. The passion of Mary, the trust of Mary, the faith of Mary, Eugene fell in love with that. Third, Eugene fell in love with the church. And this is the church that is making Christ alive in the lives of the people. Fourth, Eugene fell in love with the mission. The mission that brings Christ to the world. Itong 4 na love ni Eugene deeply changed his perspective on his life. And it changed also the lives of the people around him, his life, and ultimately changed also the church. Hopefully, itong ginagawa natin ngayon, hindi lang ito matapos pag-uwi ninyo. Sana, madala ninyo kung ano man yung mga natutunan natin. So that kung ano man yung presence natin doon in the lives of other people will effect something positive. Bringing positive effects in the lives of other people in the community we live in. I think we cannot be God's masterpiece. Para sa akin, when I reflect about being God's masterpiece, we should be agents of God. Bringing Christ into the life of people, effecting something good in the lives of the people around us, effecting something positive. I think that's the real meaning of being God's masterpiece. Without that, I think hindi mabubuo yung God's masterpiece.
Happy birthday, St. Eugene de Mazenod, from